Curious about the warning lights on your 2022 to 2023 BMW X2? This guide will explore the various indicator lights and instrument cluster symbols, helping you understand their functions and take necessary actions for a safer drive. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen controls navigation and media, while the instrument cluster displays speed, fuel, and alerts. Climate control is a system that regulates a vehicle's interior temperature, humidity, and airflow for optimal comfort. Door controls manage the locking, unlocking, and adjustment of vehicle doors for security and convenience.
Instrument cluster.
Cluster indicators. Seat belt reminder, brake system. Parking brake. Airbag system, pedestrian warning. Forward collision warning, active cruise control. Dynamic stability control, anti-lock braking system. Dynamic traction control activated, tire pressure monitor. Engine warning light, steering system. Lane departure warning, cruise control. High beam headlights, turn signal. Side lights, low beam headlights. Safety precautions, know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.